Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that WADZ token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, he is not new. The project does not claim that he has documented history and it does not patented the prior appearances are recorded anywhere that you can verify what the mythology holds in similar and harder. Wadoozie is a response when the network that carries online culture fractures past a certain threshold, something written to help put it back together. That threshold has now been reached. He is not fully human, he is not fully digital, he exists the piece where online culture and physical reality bleed into each other, which is exactly where a restoration has to happen because the fracture runs through both at once. You can see him. He travels by tours bus along a public route. He shows up a straight line. He actives not in person. The bus tracker shows where he is right now. If you are in a state he is in, you can go find him. WADZ project institute setting is 4 and this project audited by Ceritic and Cybercorp. WADZ token total supply is 2 billion and circulating supply is 1 billion. WADZ token is listed on Uniswap 2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.